Today we are checking out another AirPods alternative and we're going to see how they perform. Welcome to the review of SoundPEATS TrueAir 2. Hello, Thiago here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews and unboxing, and if it's something that interests you, you do consider subscribing, leave a thumbs up on this video and share this video with your friends all around. With this said, let's start the review. Apple have launched the AirPods long time ago, but looks like the alternative is still coming these days. SoundPEATS have kindly sent these earbuds to me so I can share my review with you guys. Although have they sent this to me, I will still provide my honest opinion so you guys know how they perform before you buying them. The TrueAir 2 have a price tag of £31.99, but please check when you buy it, because as you can see at the moment is a 6% voucher on Amazon UK. On Amazon US the price is $34.99, and like in UK they are reduced price, so please check when you buy it. If you are interested in buying them, do check my links on the video description, and that will help the channel a lot. Many thanks. The case have a more modern design, is small and compact, is extremely light. When you put it in your pocket, you will forget that the case is there. The case is made of high quality matte plastic, with the SoundPEATS logo on top of the case. On the side of the case you will have the Type-C charging port and a small LED that indicates when charging. When open the case, you will see the TrueAir 2 sitting there. They look nice and simple. They are held in place by magnets. One important thing missing is the battery indicator. I don't know why it's not included, so you will have to guess. Taking them out of the case, we can see that they adopted a new design where the earbuds look like the AirPods, but with the cool logo on top of the touch sensor. The earbuds give you 5 hours of continuous playback time, and the case gives you 25 hours. The case and the earbuds take about 1 hour to full charge. Talking about features, the earbuds feature the latest chip Qualcomm QCC3040, so you will get support for aptX and SBC audio codec. The TrueAir 2 is also rated EPS4 water resistant, and will provide you with a good resistance against sweating or getting caught under the rain. The TrueAir 2 uses the latest Qualcomm True Wireless Mirroring technology, and that means that you will have super similar stereo and mono, so one earbud will be mirroring the other. A very important feature is the fact that you can connect TrueAir 2 to more than one device, although not at the same time. Going to the sound signature now, the sound quality is pretty good. You'll get good sound quality and dynamic range. The TrueAir 2 have a 14.2mm dynamic driver, although you don't have the most bass response, but they will have a bit of bass. This is quite normal on an AirPods-like style. The sound stage is very wide because of the larger driver. They are really good for any music that needs a good separation. Call quality. In this field, the TrueAir 2 is very impressive as well. They have Qualcomm CVC 8.0 technology. They deliver the voice clear and nicely in both outside and inside. So, let's have a look at the call quality in these earbuds. So guys, this is the sound of the TrueAir 2 when I'm walking. So as you guys can see, when you're walking, this is the sound. I'm outside, so guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this sound. It's very sunny today. So this will be the sound inside of the house. It's quieter, so the sound will be pretty good. Once again guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think about the sound. Talking about controls, there's no issues here as well. You can do everything from volume up and down to call the assistant. Everything works without any problems. In terms of latency, they are quite good watching videos on YouTube and Netflix. I have no issues with that. By the other hand, on gaming, they have some minor delays. This is one of my favorite designs from SoundPEATS because of its tiny case and simple and smart design. In my opinion, I think these ones are one of the best alternatives to AirPods at this price point. That's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you did, please give us a thumbs up on this video and share it around with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe it. It will help the channel. Stay safe, and I will see you on my next review. Bye!